Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change notification sound in your phone Moto G34. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to sound and vibration, and here select default notification sound. Just select, and here select any tone. I have selected soft. Okay, if you want to add any notification from external memory card or your own file in local internal storage, yes, you can do it. Click on add notification and select any tone. Select any tone, and that will be added. Unfortunately, I don't have anything, so it shows nothing, and click on OK. Okay, here I have selected only notification sound from internal tone. Okay, so in this way you can easily change notification sound as per your wish. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.